and welcome to the craft room today. So I'm trying to reel out as many videos as I can while I've got the place to myself. So I wanted to show you one of the new printed kits. I've had a lot of messages lately from people who don't have printers that are looking to buy some of my sheets or my kits. So I'm trying to do a small selection so that everyone has access to my designs that would like to craft with them. The only downside to that is I'm so busy at the moment that I've had to dedicate a specific day. There's only one day I can actually get out to go to the post office. So what I've said is all of the printed kits will be done on a pre-ordered basis. So for me to post on a Friday, I would need orders to be placed by 1 PM on the Wednesday for me to have printed and then get to the post office on the Friday. So this is the post box kit. Sorry, it's not, it's the phone box kit. Bet you can guess what's coming next. So you are getting 2 toppers and 4 embellishments on this one sheet. It is printed onto a 300 GSM watercolour card, and the card is beautiful. It's got a fabulous texture on it. So you're getting 2 sheets of that one. Then the next sheet you're getting 4 toppers. Again, printed onto the beautiful, I don't know if you can see the texture. So you're getting 2 sheets of that one. Then you are getting 4. Because not everyone will want to use these. They'll have their own papers and things they want to use them with. So you're getting 4 of the large frosted background panel sheets for you to use as backing papers. And sentiments. So there's 5 sentiments per sheet, 20 sentiments overall. So you've got a few extra. And then you are getting 6, if you fold it that way, it'll be landscape inserts. And these are printed onto 120 GSM super smooth paper. So it's a more superior weight to the copy paper. And then you're getting 6 portrait inserts. So this set will make 12 cards and you'll have a few sentiments left over. So if you would like to order this, the kit will be available on the website to pre-order. As I say, orders would need to be placed by 1 PM on a Wednesday for me to get it in the post on a Friday. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care. Bye bye.